What if I told you that a vision board is the secret key to actually achieving your dream life and reaching your goals? That it's more than just a collage of pretty photos, but rather a visual manifestation of your dreams and goals. Hi, my name is Joni, and today I'm going to take you step by step in how to create a vision board that will actually change and level up your life. But you might be wondering, do vision boards even work? And how are they different from writing down your goals? Seeing your goal daily impacts the way that you process its possibility and keeps you focused and motivated. And there's actual science that showcases the impact of images on our brains and subconscious. According to neuroscientist Dr. Tara Stewart, looking at images on a vision board primes the brain to grasp opportunities that may otherwise go unnoticed. That's because the brain has a process called value tagging, which imprints important things onto your subconscious and filters out unnecessary information. Having a clear picture of what success looks like helps reduce overwhelm and drives consistent progress. It's not just about setting goals, but about creating an emotional connection to them. Passion Planner has supported so many people in setting goals and turning dreams into plans, and now we've made it even easier by adding a vibrant vision board page to the planner so that everyone can have that space and tool to create their own every year. Before we get started, it's important to note that a vision board helps you keep your goals front and center no matter what time of year it is. So even if you're watching this video in the middle of the year, just know that it is never too late to create your vision board. All right, let's get started. The first step to creating your vision board is to set your intentions. This will help determine what you want to focus on this year. This can be from whatever goals you have for the year, a specific project, or personal growth. I highly recommend using the core values worksheet and the passion roadmap for this step so that you can visualize a bigger picture of your life and what matters most to you. Then you'll want to gather all of your supplies for your vision board. So this is images, magazines, digital tools, words, etc. that really resonate with you. You can use sites like Pinterest or Google Images to source the visual representations of your intentions and your goals. It's also really important to add in photos from your own camera roll. This is something I don't see a lot of people doing, and I think having existing photos of all of the great things in your life currently that you want to invite for next year is just as important as the new things that you're aiming for. Having a mix of borrowed and personal photos, you're manifesting these images as if they already exist in your life. I also love using stickers for encouragement and as a decorative tool. Passion Planner actually has a ton of sticker books to choose from, but you can also download the digital versions and print them out on sticker paper or glue them onto your board. Before you slap on all of these images onto your board, take a look at what you've added and notice the different themes that visuals represent. Then you can break up your goals into different areas like health, self-care, hobbies, travel, things like that. This will help section off your focuses so that you can easily reference them at a glance when you need to reference your goals. The order doesn't need to be specific, but if you want, you can place these clockwise from what you want to start and end the year with, or by importance. Now you can put everything together. This is the fun part, and you can be as creative or as minimal as you want. Vision boards are amazing, but they're definitely not a magical resource that will just help your goals happen. Putting forth action is just as, if not more important than creating your vision board. So if you want to take it a step further, add tentative dates or specific targets that tie in with quarterly or yearly milestones. For example, if you put a destination on your board and you already have a date set or in mind, write that down. This helps manifest that the date or time frame you chose will happen with no issues. The best thing about vision boards is that they are super adaptable. Vision boards don't have to be just for the year. You can create them for whenever you want to refocus or energize. You can create vision boards for the quarter, the month, or even the week to align with shorter term goals. One example of this is creating a seasonal vision board. Break your big yearly goals into mini seasonal vision boards that align with the energy or focus of each season. For example, a spring refresh vision board for growth and renewal, or a fall focus vision board for deep work and productivity. If creating one big vision board for the year feels overwhelming, try quarterly vision board check-ins. Instead of creating a vision board once a year, check in with yourself and your goals quarterly or every 3 months. This approach supports evolving goals and prevents burnout from overly rigid long-term plans. This is also your reminder that you don't have to create a physical vision board. Digital vision boards make it really easy to update and add to your board, whether that's switching images, changing goals, or adjusting focus. Finally, for flexible vision boarding, you don't need to go all out, especially if you feel like you don't have the time or space right now. Another option is to use your fridge or a dedicated space you see every day and use magnets or tape to put up things that remind you of your goals and inspire you. Once your vision board is created, consistency and working towards your habits is going to be key to making all of the images come true. It's super important to place your vision board somewhere you can see often, like your desk or wall, or printing it out and adding it to your bathroom mirror. I'm always on my phone and laptop for work, so I like to set it as my phone or computer background so I can look at it every day. Again, you're gonna want to put it in a place that you can see it every day without having to look for it, because it definitely gets harder and harder to reference as the year goes by. Which is why I also recommend creating a ritual of reviewing your board regularly, using it as a tool to mentally refresh and set your intentions. To keep yourself accountable, you can add in check-in dates to your planner or adding this habit to your monthly habit tracker page. Checking in on your vision board often helps maintain momentum and keeps your goals aligned with your changing life. Change happens with consistency, and remember that it takes time, so be sure to have grace with yourself when you're trying to accomplish your goals this year. And vision boards can also act as a roadmap for your goals, so remember that you can break them down into quarters, months, and weekly focuses to take action. Your vision board is unique to you, and there's truly no right or wrong way to create it. Take ownership of your vision board process and enjoy the unique journey that this year will bring. Whether it's planning for the year or just for today, the right mindset can turn your vision into a reality. Thank you so much for watching this video and creating your vision board with me. I really hope it helped you set your intentions for the year and what you want to manifest into your life. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know what your main focus is for this year. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!